How to check Apple gift card balance without redeeming. To check the balance of an Apple gift card without redeeming it, you can use the following methods. Go to Apple's gift card balance page. Then log in with your Apple ID. Enter the gift card code to check the balance. Download the Apple Support app if you don't already have it. Navigate to the gift card section or search for help with gift cards. Contact Apple Support directly via chat or call to check your balance by providing the card details. Call Apple customer support and ask for assistance. Provide the necessary gift card details, such as the code, to verify the balance. If you purchased the card from a store, the retailer might provide balance checking services. Look for instructions on the receipt or the card packaging. Thanks for watching.